So apparently they're going to move the Parliament bill into the National Heroes Circle, and the Prime Minister is saying it is not a waste of money. He says we've never had a multi-purpose or a purpose-built Parliament, and now is the time. He says the building itself, the one they're at now, lacks the stature and functionality of a modern Parliament, he said. And apparently I've heard someone saying that apparently they want to put all the government places at the National Heroes Circle.
All the ministers will be housed in one building?
So, right. I don't know if it's one building or they're going to have different buildings for them, but I think I heard something like that. He says, we are going to build this Parliament and we're going to do it the right way. We're going to take all concerns on board, all suggestions. It's going to be bipartisan, multi-sectoral, and it will be done in the best interest of the people of Jamaica.
We're going to build this Parliament and we're going to do it the right way. We're going to take all concerns on board, all suggestions. It's going to be bipartisan, multi-sectoral, and will be done in the best interest of all the people of Jamaica. I thought it needed a little bit of flair. Is that the passage you read?
Yeah.
Okay. I was listening. I was just checking to see if you were listening, that I was listening.
It's like you never like how me sound when I read it.
You know, so I didn't realize that.
I know.
All right, so let me move on to another one then. Prime Minister Holness said that it's been far too long that we've been dithering on this matter of a new Parliament building. The idea, he says, dates back to the 1950s, and a section of the National Heroes Park lands was earmarked as the site of the new Parliament building. He also stressed the importance of the diaspora and contribution of the diaspora.
I guess somebody has to pay for it.
Building. What do you mean somebody has to pay for it? Then they must have to pay for. What do you mean? You think that's why the diaspora come in? For the payment?
Well, it could be part of it.
I don't think so.
Could be part of it.
Input, I think he's talking about more than funding.
All right. You going to the royal wedding?
You know, I'm busy that day. I have, I went again?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I have the invitation out. I can't be there. But I've sent my apologies along with Ellie Lewis, who also is busy apparently and will not be attending. Sadly.
I'm not going. I'm going to the honeymoon in Jamaica.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, that's when because I was invited to the wedding, but them can't stop me from coming to the honeymoon. So
do you mean the reception or do you mean the honeymoon? Because so let me explain. After the wedding, you have the reception of all the people who are invited. Honeymoon is usually done with just the two people who married. So if you are at the honeymoon, they're gonna arrest you for stalking.
No.
Is that the plan?
No, I'm not going to barge in anything. I've said it before. I want to meet Prince Harry. I just want to meet him.
Yes, you have said that.
Yeah.
I don't think his honeymoon is the right place to try.
Why is not like them going to lock up for the whole honeymoon? Them must come out and eat and have lunch and dinner and stuff. So I just can't. No. Them not going to have nothing to eat.
Are they honeymooning here?
I don't have them announced it yet. They said here or it was an African
So what
place.
you're essentially saying to Jamaica and the diaspora, by extension all the folks in the UK, the Royal Police of London, the British Embassy, that they really ought to be on watch. You are so not well in your headspace. What about shooting, please? He's a good man.
Were you my friend? I said, then the boss want to meet the prince. Why I can't go to the
When you're taking him away, you don't need to cuff him. He's not violent. Just gently coax him.
I just want to meet Prince Harry. By the way, the Meghan Markle, she's chosen Prince Charles to walk her down the aisle. Some thought maybe her mother would do it because her father is ill or had a heart attack and he's in Mexico getting treatment. And she says,
there's a lot of drama around this wedding.
Yeah, and he said after him collect money to stage picture and stuff, he said he didn't want to embarrass her. But apparently it's not the first time Prince Charles is doing it for someone who is not his child. So Prince Charles will walk her down the aisle. Are we carrying the wedding or something?
I believe we are.
Saturday morning. Don't we carry it live?
I think we are.
Yeah.
I've heard people talking
Saturday
about
morning.
it.
I think 6 o'clock this year or something like that Saturday morning, which would be probably about 11 or 12 o'clock.
I feel so bad for them. They're
For
like, the two of them.
Why?
They're like fish in a bowl.
So that's what, this is something like what happened to me. I'm royal. When you are royal, these things happen.